Have you ever looked at a mountain of data and thought, how in the world do I make sense of this? Well, that's where data analysis comes in. It's the secret sauce that turns raw numbers into meaningful insights. At its core, data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision making. Imagine you have a huge pile of information: sales numbers, customer feedback, website visits. On their own, those numbers don't mean much. But when you analyze them, you uncover trends, patterns, and connections that help you understand what's really going on. The process starts with gathering data. This could be anything from surveys, sales reports, social media metrics, or even sensor readings from machines. Once the data is collected, the next step is cleaning it up. That means fixing errors or removing unnecessary information so you can trust what you're working with. Then comes the fun part: analyzing the data. You'll look for patterns, relationships, or trends. Maybe you're trying to figure out why sales dropped last month or what factors contribute to customer satisfaction. With the right tools like graphs or statistical software, you can find answers and make predictions. In the end, data analysis helps businesses, scientists, and even governments make informed decisions. It's like having a compass in a sea of information, guiding you toward the right choices. So next time you face a mountain of numbers, remember, with the right data analysis, you can find the treasure hidden inside. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.